Hi, I'm Kay from the Partner Care team here at Anvaigo, and we want to make it as easy as possible for your teams on the road, which means our checklist mobile app is now AI powered and better than ever. But what does this actually mean for your teams on the road? And how does an AI make it faster, easier, and honestly a little more fun to do my job? We all know you sometimes have the issue, I'm on the go, I have some sort of documentation I need to complete. I've got a checklist I have to go through, and I might not want to do it. I might not have the time to do it. Or it's just a long list that I constantly have to go through that somebody higher up or in the back office is saying, please make sure this is done. Not anymore. So I've got my checklist in front of me today. We're going to look at a base example, but remember, this can always be fit to your specific industry, scenario, process, or checklist, and it's just an example that I'm looking at today. So I have my tablet in front of me, and I'm going to dive right in and start using my checklist. Now, right off the bat, I want to go ahead and say, all right, I'm on site with my customer. And that's a lot of information that I'm going to have to input. I would manually have to go through all of these fields. I can see that they're also mandatory fields, so I'm not getting around this, but the AI integration is going to make it really easy for me to add my responses. So let's take a look at that. The handover location is at 132 Main Street. Yeah, we got everything back today at about 10:30 in the morning. The tenant's name is Paul Green, and the landlord's name is Anna Meyer. Number of keys should be 5, but we actually got 3. The electric reading, 235, and the water reading looks like 7,002. Yeah, that looks good. So I no longer have to go through and manually enter that with the AI integration. I can just talk at my app. Hey, and it's already got everything. Here, oh look, I even got a little note. So I needed to go and follow up with a customer. They haven't actually given me everything I needed to. That comment was added and noted there, and I can move on much faster to the next step of that. Let's take a look at what that looks like. Again, I have a lot of information, and here I even have some standard responses that I have to be answering. So these are my only possible responses. I don't want to have to do that. So let's just check with the AI again. Everything is fine except the kitchen. The tiles need to be replaced because some of them are broken. All right, let's see if it caught all that. I didn't even go every single step by step. And it did. I also, again, have that comment there. Tiles need to be replaced because some of them are broken. That looks pretty good to me. But maybe it did catch me. I need that to just sound a little nicer. So I'm going to go ahead and hit that magic button down here. And I can reformulate and have that just sound a little nicer, a little more professional, and not, whatever I've just chatted at my app, but a professional answer to hand over to my customer. And as easy as that, I can work through my checklist app. I can work through my processes and my forms, and it's much easier, faster, and a little more fun for me to do my job. It's not as time consuming, and it ensures that my team in the back office is definitely getting the good quality of responses that they're expecting, and everything's getting done on time. Directly back into my Business Central, I don't have to worry about it. I don't have to spend a day in the office taking any notes, but I can spend more time on site with my customers and having that interaction with them. If I've piqued your interest, you can go ahead and download the mobile checklist app from your preferred store, the Google Play, Apple App Store, or the Microsoft Store, and play around and see how you like the feel of that new AI integration. If you really want the chance to find out more in depth about the mobile checklist app from Anvaigo, reach out and join a webinar or just contact my team and I, and we'd be happy to go over everything with you.